Hello guys, and welcome to Mattsbeamer. Today's video is on how to change the number plate light bulbs on the BMW F20 F21 1 Series. This job is so simple and easy that you don't even need any tools. Here are where the number plate bulbs are located. Please notice that there are two of them. On my F20 they are LED bulbs known as the part number 63267193294. These are also used on many of the newer BMWs, even the new BMW Toyota Supra. Anyway, back to the bulbs. You can obviously buy everything that you can on the big websites and get many upgrades too, but I'll stick with the standard BMW ones for the purpose of this video. First of all, switch off the ignition and lights. Then, go to the old bulb. While facing the back of the car, push the bulb housing from the left hand side and slide the bulb housing right. When the bulb has been slid to the right, pull the left hand side down towards the direction of the ground and the housing will pop out. You will now see the plug which connects the bulb to the wire. Press in the removable area on the plug and pull the plug away from the light bulb housing. Looking at the plug and the bulb housing unit, you will notice that the plug will only go in one way and it clicks easily into place as shown. Looking at the housing, you will see a metal clip on one side. This metal clip should be on the right hand side when putting it back into the hole. When inserting the new bulb and holder into the hole, first insert the left hand side, then press down the right hand side so it clicks into the bumper. Now it's time to see if your new lights work. Voila, nice one. If you want to see more BMW F20 F21 1 Series DIY videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and take care.